Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Tolar, Texas, where we're now just finished installing our exterior French drain. As you can tell, you can see the pipe inside. And after we put it in and measure our slope, we began to cover it up with gravel, which we do by hand because we don't want to use heavy equipment because it's liable to knock our pipe off of its perfect level, because we want all of it sloped and going to the back where we will have an exterior culvert pipe. And you can see our clean out sticking up right there. Now, when you look at the pipe, you'll notice that it doesn't have any holes. It actually does. The holes are at the bottom and over to the side and near the end. So we tend to drill those by hand because the manufacturers of these pipe now, especially if you get from Home Depot or Lowe's or local hardware stores, you'll notice that the holes have been greatly reduced. They used to go all the way around the entire pipe, and now they don't. There's just 2 rows. So if you want more, you'll either be buying a special pipe or you'll be drilling them yourselves, which we do. We drill them ourselves. We call it old school. So now that we're pushing our gravel, and what we'll do is we hit it over there on the concrete when we push it in, and then we'll smooth it over. And then once we cover the entire pipe, then we can think about backfilling all the way around, but we want to make sure that our pipe is in place before we do anything else. So let's get busy.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.